I prepared the one that's going to pay them. But now they
Now there are 15 people are again there.
That's right.
Some of the cases are not that the decree of any legal cost or interest, they have also filed an
No.
They have got land, they have got whatever the
No, but why are you forcing everyone to go to court?
Whatever I am not suggesting that in the first matter, where the payment has been made.
No, the petitioner has been paid or not?
My lords, we had purchased two properties. One was a residential and the commercial. In respect of the residential, they have paid us in full. But in respect of the commercial, they have still not paid us. Around 31 lakhs interest in total is remaining with them, out of which 12 lakhs we had taken.
But now the second SLP has been filed, my lord. There's your lordship to consider. Even before the authority and the data of God, the shop, my lord, for which the full payment was not made, my lord, was cancelled. The money was refunded and it was sold to somebody else, which is a part of the record before both the forums below. My lord, we are still willing to sit down with them. Whatever is the, my lord, money to be paid, because the person concerned, he never engaged with the second person who got a lot.
No, it's all right. He is not asking for the shop. He is only asking for settling his account. That's all.
Whatever
is her counsel strokes in the counsel for the parties.
That actually has been referred to mediation by the Orissa High Court for 3rd March, just to indicate.
Lordships can wait for that.
Lordship may just have it to immediately after holy vacation.
All right.
Because it's that Orissa High Court, my learned senior.
That's some mediation.
I'm appearing to intervene
between the petitioner and the respondent builder cum developer. Meanwhile, 15 more applicants have applied for their inclusion as interveners. While we do not pass any of them their application, the respondent builder is directed to examine their individual cases and submit an affidavit.
Only one case there would be a difficulty, but they went to IVC. The direction was paid for 1.8. Now they say for some other amount which was never done.
You can explain in your application. You can explain that.
Some day after holy vacation.
Yes.
Grateful.
Item 36.
Obliged.
36.
36.1 my lords, I'm appearing.
I appear in the lead button.
My lord, I'm seeking a short Passover. The standing.
On a non-Muslim.
Some short date, please.
Lords, may I only request that in 36.1 no counter has been
Item
filed.
37.
Please some short date, please, because these are on recruitments.
Item next item. Item go next.
Please.
So in the item number 37, I have received the counter on 14th. I am requesting a week's time to file response to it because they have alleged that certain crimes are registered against me and I am collecting document to defend that, sir. But it is a case where the advocate who is malpracticing and facing many criminal charges has been punished at a lesser side by the Bar Council of India, sir. I'm a media man. There are certain cases. There may be some cases, sir, but that does not.
Should have the order dated 6 September 2024, my lordship. Lordship's order. Lordship order, in fact, in my favor, my lordship. The interim order has been passed. Lordship may have read the order, my lordship. 6 September 2024. The Bar Council of India.
No, that's it. We have said that Bar Council is right to the extent that they can't express any opinion in respect of a trial which is pending.
Yes, my lord.
How can the Bar Council say, all right, you are reprimanded and allowed to go scot-free?
That's what I'm mentioning. Once the court, once the Bar Council has said that it cannot interfere when the criminal proceedings are going on, it could have reprimanded also.
So, Mr. Counsel, for the petitioner, we are not going to open this Pandora's box for how many cases against them. We are only concerned about this matter which is before us.
So for a fact, so the question, the quantums are there because the punishment is so low. He is the settled criminal already acting as the land grabber. Not only that, even judges have registered FIR against him. He was in jail when his sanad was restored on the FIR registered by a judge because he has compounded some cases by putting incompetent person and compounded the cases despite there being transfer order from the High Court.
No, no, it's all right. Let us talk about your matter. What punishment according to you would have been the fair, just and fair?
Sir, my client would ask for termination for license, but I will be asking for suspension for a year or 2 years at least.
Lordship,
Because, sir, the case which I faced was of 307, sir.
allegation has been proved, my
He has,
lordship.
he has
The
beaten
courts,
me
none of the
mercilessly
allegation
in
has
the
been
courtroom.
He is not my client, my lordship. He is not my client. He is the opposite party who is representing the defendant. I was a plaintiff in the court. He is the opposite party. He is making allegations against me. Only we of the property which I was contesting for my clients, my lordship. I don't have any client advocate relationship with this person. All the complaints which he has mentioned in the two complaints he has mentioned in the BCA complaint. One I have been acquitted by the criminal court, my lordship. And in another case, he has not appeared to give evidence. He is delaying it. It's 2009 complaint. He has not still completed his evidence, my lordship.
No, that complaint is by him.
Lordship.
By this very fellow, that complaint.
Yes, my lordship.
Sir,
Both the complaints by the opposite party, my lordship.
yes, applicant is, sir, applicant is
He
journalist.
came to the court premises with the revolver, my lordship. With the revolver, he comes into the court premises. Is that kind of conduct, my lordship? He has filed a false complaint. In one complaint, I have been acquitted because there is no evidence against me. It was according to him, the occurrence takes place inside the court, but no complaint has been given to the court, concerned court, which took the evidence. And there was, in that case, he has not come into the witness box for the cross examination. Because of that, the court has acquitted, my lordship. In another case, it is pending, and he has not come to the court for the purpose of giving evidence, my lordship. It's 2009 complaint is delaying it, my lordship.
Sir, I can file the deposition in second case also because this false statement. Complaint was made to the judicial magistrate when he was beaten. Even the gun which was licensed, that was robbed by the present defendant. And in the courtroom, sir, we have deposed.
Lordship,
The
I have
statement
annexed
closed long back, sir.
the case in which I have been acquitted. That will give you a broad idea how is conduct, my lordship.
Now, what it appears that both sides are some element, undesirable element of society. This is what it appears to me. Which trial in respect of which FIR remains pending?
That 96 is pending, 94 I am acquitted. 94 acquittal order I have annexed along with the counter. That is at page 23 of my counter. At 24 minutes I
We are
agree.
informed that the trial against the respondent advocate pursuant to FIR number 96/2009 under section 294, 506, 34, 395, 397, and 307 of the IPC is still pending. That FIR is reported to have been registered on the complaint made by the present appellant.
Yes.
Present appellant. Next paragraph. Yeah, FIR number, which police station?
Is Madhav Nagar. Police station Ujjain.
Police station?
Madhav Nagar.
Police station Madhav Nagar, Ujjain Kali. Since the outcome of that trial is likely to have some impact in these proceedings, the learned trial court is directed to take up the matter, preferably directly take up the matter at least twice in a month and conclude the trial within 6 months. A status report to this effect shall be submitted to this court. Next paragraph, main appeal, admit, list after the report is received from the trial.
Sir, may I make a small interjection, sir? Sir, court is already hearing the case twice a month already, sir.
Very good.
The main witnesses have been cross-examined, including the applicant, sir.
That's very good. Then let the court report, send a report, and then appeal will be listed.
Sir.
No flash.
It's a case where minutes without the authority of law and minutes with